how to connect PayPal to ManyChat. First, go to your ManyChat account and then just click on settings here to the left side. Scroll down and click on payments. Next is go to your PayPal business account and then click on developer here at the top. Now click on apps and credentials. Now we just need to click on create app, but before we do that, need to make sure that you know this. So if you want a live application or API app for your ManyChat, you just need to toggle this onto the live option. But if you're on the sandbox, means you're creating an testing API app, if you know what I mean. So if you want a live one, just need to toggle this onto the live option. Okay, so since I'm doing tutorials, I'll just do a test API app. Okay, so just click on create app, then just type in your API name, I mean your app name. Click on create app. Okay, now let's wait. Scroll down and then click on add webhook. Now as for the webhook URL, go back to ManyChat and then just click on this link here. Let's wait. Okay, now scroll down again and look for this option here, this webhook URL. Copy it, paste it here. And then what we need to do is just get our ManyChat page ID, which is go to your ManyChat account, and your page ID is this one, FB until the numbers. Okay, copy all of this, go back to PayPal, then paste it here. Make sure that we change to this, something like this. Okay, now click on all events, scroll down and click on save. Okay, now once you see a notification like this, it means you're done. Now we just need to go up, click on client ID, copy it, then go to ManyChat, and then since I'm using a sandbox, I'm not going to use a live one. Just type it here, paste it here, and paste it in the live client as well. Since you can't really connect the PayPal account if you don't have any information here. Next is go back, scroll down, and then copy the webhook ID here, and then paste it here and here as well. And then next is just click on connect PayPal account and you're done. Now if you want to connect your live account, just click on disconnect. Now just do the same thing as well, but you just need to toggle the live option here before creating the app, and then you will see the same thing like this. Just need to copy the client ID of the live one and then the webhook ID, and then just paste it here and here, and then you can also paste it here and here as well. Okay, and then just click on connect PayPal account and you're done. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.